back to Keto Treat Day with the Keto Treat Gal. Coming at you today with a sweet treat. And this is a chocolate lover's dream. I have made a chocolate cake with chocolate frostings and even chocolate chips inside. And all of it, this one piece right here is a half a carb. I have made a full cake. I've made it into 8 slices here. You'll see a slideshow at the end, of course, how to make it. I'll list it down in the box. I can't make it any easier for you guys. But oh my God, for you chocolate lovers out there, this whole thing is only 6 carbs, the entire cake, because it's made with the chocolate protein powder, even the frosting. So I'll go over real quick, and of course I'm going to show you a slideshow and go over that way. But it was done with this is what I did. 2 scoops of the protein powder, the chocolate protein powder. First, you want to preheat your oven. And then I blended 2 scoops of the chocolate protein powder. I did 6 eggs, a 1/3 cup of olive oil, and then I, mixed it up real good in a blender or a bullet. And then I poured it into a glass, pan for baking the oven, one of the round ones. Baked it in there. I did oil the pan to make sure it wouldn't stick. But before I stuck it in, after I poured it in that dish, I stuck in I'll have to look at the thing. It was a 4th cup of the chocolate chips. And they are, these ones right here, the Lilly chocolate chips. And on the back for the carb, it says its total carb is 8 for 30 chips, but it's 5 dietary fiber, and the erythritol that's in it is 3. So it's almost like these are 0, but I'm assuming that we'll probably count them as like 1. And then the only other thing that would have been the carb is the heavy cream when I made the frosting. So first, of course, blend up your 2 scoops of the protein powder, 6 eggs, and a 1/3 cup of the olive oil. Pour it into your glass pan and then sprinkle in a 4th cup of the, it was a 4th cup, a 4th cup of the chocolate chips, okay? And then put it in your oven at 350 for 15 minutes. Then you're going to take it out. You're going to let it cool. While it's cooling, you're going to go ahead and make your frosting. The frosting, I used 1 scoop of the protein powder and 4 tablespoons, which I think is a 4th cup, but 4 tablespoons of heavy cream. That's it. Mixed it around, and I made a delicious chocolate frosting for on top. And of course, I let the cake cool first for quite a while, for about a half hour. And then I frosted it. And oh my gosh, I cannot believe that whole cake is only 6 carbs. And I could be even less if you don't have to count any carbs on these. I'm just not sure. It just seems weird that it would be 0. I would think that it would be some. But because of the erythritol, you can always deduct that. Well, 8 minus 5 is 3, and then erythritol is 3. So I don't know if that means that these are 0 or maybe 1. I'm going to ask my brother on that. I always do ask him on that. But for 30 chips, that's a lot. But I did a 4th cup for the whole entire thing. So, of course, you're only going to get so many chips in your piece or whatever. But each piece is only a half a carb. A half a carb. And I'm doing it with a glass of almond milk here. And this is my eating day. I do alternate day fasting. So today's my eating day, and on my eating day I maintain or maintenance eat, which is 2,000 to 2,200 calories. So this is going to be my last for the night. I'm just going to take a few bites of this and then I'm done, because at 8 p.m. and it's 7:40 I need to stop eating, and I won't eat again until Tuesday at 12 p.m. I go 40 hours without food just to get to the last of my weight. I'm at 123 pounds, or sorry, is it 123? 122? Yeah, 122 pounds. I am super excited. 132 pounds. I am almost to the 120s. I am so excited. Sorry, guys, got a little flustered there. I can't wait to hit the 120s. My goal is 125. So I've got 125. So 5, 6, 7, I got 7 pounds to go, you guys. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. And I just want that little bit of room to play. I was going to go to 128, but I want that little bit of room to play, so I'm going to go to 125. That's why I'm alternate day fasting, and it's working great. I've been doing it for 14, 15, 16, 17, about 16 days, 16 or 17 days, right? 2 weeks is 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. No, about 18 or 19 days, and I've lost 16 pounds. Oh my gosh, how exciting. And I love the alternate day fasting. I love my fasting more than the days I eat. I love autophagy. I've said it in all my videos. I love the way I feel. It's amazing. I feel like Superwoman. I really do. It's just amazing. So let's try a bite of this chocolate chip or chocolate dream lovers cake, keto style. Oh my God. And it feels so moist. Look at that, you guys. Look at the chocolate chips in there. Look at the frosting, the chocolate cake. Here we go. Oh my gosh, that is so good. Make this, bring this to a party. Nobody is gonna know. I got a piece of my hair in here. Nobody is gonna know that this is keto. Oh my gosh, I gotta show you guys one more bite. Look at this. Look at the chocolate chips in there and the frosting. Oh my gosh. I think I have a piece of my, oh my gosh. Piece of my hair in there. I must have leaned over it. Oh my gosh, that is amazing. It's more moist because I did my muffins before, but I didn't add oil when I did the muffins. I think the oil helped make this more moist. Oh, wow, that's good. That is definitely a chocolate dream, a chocolate dream lovers right here that's doing keto. Oh my gosh, I'll do one more bite. Oh my God. Yum. Oh my gosh, that is so good. I definitely could eat this whole thing, but I'd like to keep my calories because I know that by eating some of this, I know that I'm definitely, because this would definitely be higher fat. Not because of the protein stuff, because of the 4 tablespoons of heavy cream I put in it. And then, of course, the chocolate chips, I imagine they're high in fat. Chocolate chips, wow, they're not even that bad either, only 4. So I guess this wouldn't even really be that high in fat because the protein powder wouldn't be high. Well, the eggs would be high, the oil would be high, and the heavy cream. So yes, this would be high. Sorry, this would be higher. And I know that I'm right there, probably around 2,200. So I'm just going to stop right there. I'm not going to eat any more for the night. That's it. But you guys have got to definitely try this out. Let me show you up close again. Look at it with the frosting. Look at the chocolate chips in there. I cut it into 8 slices. You could definitely do, hang on, I got to shut this off. You could definitely do, you know, make it into less slices to make the pieces a little bit bigger, but I think it's perfect. Oh my gosh, make this, you guys. We got 4th of July coming up. Grad parties, everything. Make this and enjoy yourself some chocolate cake, or do it on a dirty keto day, or if you're alternate day fasting with me, go ahead and have this on your alternate day. It was not even hard to make. Oh my gosh, this is yummy. I was excited to make this one, excited to share this one with you guys. Like I said, I either make meals at home for my treats or I buy something out showing you what you can eat out too. But this time I did a homemade chocolate cake. I don't know if I'm going to call it chocolate chip cake or if I'm just going to call it chocolate cake. Double chocolate cake. That's probably what I'll call it. Double chocolate cake. Absolutely delicious. And you get the chocolate chips from Whole Foods. That's where I got it from. And they have so many different Lilly bars and stuff. So you could try all the different Lilly bars because they're very low in carb. And then, of course, I needed the chocolate chips to make this. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you will definitely try this out. Delicious. Give this to your kids, too. Give them this as a treat. They will love it. Super low carb, super delicious, a little bit higher fat, but like I said, enjoy it for a dirty keto day, or if you're alternate day fasting, you can definitely have it on those days. Or, you know, like parties you're going to, whatever, make this and have this as a treat. Don't eat the cakes at those parties. Bring your own. And I guarantee you're going to get people that are going to try it and not even know it's keto. So, anyways, I love you guys very much. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you are new to my channel, please hit that red subscribe button. Hit the notification bell so you're notified of all of these wonderful videos. Definitely share around my channel so I can help many people with the keto diet and help them get healthy. And then definitely shoot me a thumbs up if you love my videos and love what I bring out to you guys. I bring all of this free to you. If you need any extra help, I link my email down in my box. I'd love to help you out. Everybody take care. God bless. And I will see each and every one of you in my very next upload. And everybody remember to always keep it keto. Ingredients: 3 scoops of chocolate protein powder, 6 eggs, a 1/3 cup of olive oil, 4 tablespoons of heavy cream, and a 1/4 cup of Lily's chocolate chips. Preheat the oven to 350. When the cake's ready to go on, you'll set it for 15 minutes. Now get your cake ready. Add 2 scoops of the chocolate protein powder, 6 eggs, and a 1/3 cup of olive oil. Mix it up in a blender or a bullet. Now get a pan out and grease the pan. Get ready to put your cake mixture in. Add a 1/4 cup of the chocolate chips around and set it into your oven and cook for 15 minutes. Now let's get the frosting ready. Add 1 scoop of protein powder and 4 tablespoons of heavy cream. Mix well. Now the cake's ready. Take it out, let it cool, flip it over onto a plate, and then you're going to frost it. Cut it into 8 slices, and it was a 1/2 carb a slice and absolutely delicious.